I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a Zoro sketch. First, let's begin by lightly sketching the fundamental shapes. Start with an oval for the head and add cross guidelines for facial placement. Then, use simple circles and cylinders to block out the torso and limbs, establishing the overall pose and proportions. Remember to keep your initial lines very light. This allows for easy corrections as you refine your drawing. This foundational step is crucial for a well-proportioned final piece. Now let's bring Zoro's face to life. Carefully refine his eyes, nose, and mouth, ensuring you capture his signature serious and determined expression. Pay close attention to the details around his eyes. Don't forget to add his 3 distinctive gold earrings to his left ear, a key part of his look. Finally, sketch his iconic green hair, focusing on its spiky, voluminous nature and how it frames his face, showing movement. Next, we'll focus on Zoro's distinctive attire and his formidable weapons. Carefully outline his traditional green haramaki and the flowing white shirt beneath it. Pay attention to how the fabric drapes and creates natural folds, adding realism to his clothing. Then, meticulously draw his 3 swords, each with its unique hilt and sheath, positioned at his side. These details are essential for an accurate and powerful portrayal of the swordsman. Finally, let's add depth and polish to your Zoro sketch. Begin by applying shading to define his powerful muscle structure and create a sense of 3-dimensionality. Think about your light source to guide where shadows fall. Use slightly darker, more confident lines for the final outlines to make your drawing truly pop. Lastly, carefully erase any visible construction lines, leaving you with a clean, professional, and impressive finished piece of art.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.